Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, finally uLwazi decides to man up and take responsibility. You guys, he is standing phambi kwebandla and he says ukuthi angeke ngikwazi ukuqhubeka ngukhohlisa umthembu ngamanga noba ngiqhubeke ngizikhohlise mina ngamanga. He turns to uBaba uGumede. He's like, Baba uGumede, ngiwungcolisile umuzi wakho, ngikhulelise indodakazi yakho baba. Hey, ibandla-ke, everyone's like, how? uMaqemba looks like she wants to faint. uLwazi looks like she wants to faint. There she's like, Lwazi kodwa. And then uLwazi continues to say, Mkhululi, cala ungithethelele zonke izono zami, you guys. uGabi G is just looking down, you guys, but listen, uLwazi, it looks like he saved himself and his family, because listen, uMamZobe was not going to let them go nje kanjalo. But listen, I don't know if I can speak on behalf of South Africa to say ukuthi siyamxolela uLwazi for the fact that, guys, he stood in front of ibandla and he came clean before they could ordain him as a leader. I think it's better than nothing. Yes, kuleti ayibo phela these past weeks uLwazi usikwatise kabi nje. But anyway, guys, he did the right thing and it looks like he does want to get married to his baby mama. So hey guys, at least uGabi G for the win. But listen, it still stands with uKhabisile. She still needs to either speak the truth, guys, or that child's health or life is in jeopardy if she doesn't speak the truth. Yay, guys. Anyway, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.